Hello, I'm Risa from Anjurisa. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to make the Celtic knot headband. If you love anything about baby headband, consider subscribing. I recommend you to only use stretchy fabric to make the Celtic knot headband. Remember, when you're working with fabric, the direction of fabric is very important. You can see here, the edge of fabric will be the width, which is 6 inches, and the length is head circumference plus 4 inches. Now, to determine which one is the right side of the fabric, with the edge of fabric here, stretch the fabric. And stretchy fabric will always go toward the right side. So this is the right side. With the right sides together, fold the fabric in half and sew here. Do the same to the other fabric. Stretch the fabric, and this is the right side. Fold the fabric in half with the right sides together, and I will sew here. These are the patterns on my sewing machine. To sew elastic fabric, we can't use this regular stitch. Instead, I will use this knit stitch to sew this turban headband. If you don't have this pattern on your sewing machine, you can use a regular zigzag stitch. You can see my knit stitch. This is to let us stretch the fabric without fear of popping a seam. Now turn the fabric inside out. Now I will refer this as the wrong side and this as the right side. Put the fabric like this, with the wrong side here and the right side here. Next, I will put the fabric with the right side here, put it under this fabric, and over here with the wrong side here. Now take this fabric and put it inside, over here, like this, with the wrong sides here and the right sides here. I will show you one more time. Put the fabric like this, with the wrong side here and right side here. take the other fabric and put it under this fabric and over here. Now I will tie the fabric like this. We want to tie it like this, with the wrong sides here and the right sides here. Now tighten the knot. Like this. I will put this fabric with the wrong sides together and do the same to the other with the wrong sides together. Bring all fabrics together, and this is the most important. I will pin these fabrics together. The one in the middle and I will pin the fabric with the same color. And the last one, I will bring this fabric over to the other color of the fabric. With the right sides together and pin it. Now I will stitch this and this with regular stitch. I will take this off and the other pin. And this is the last pin. Open these fabrics here and bring them together. Stitch right in the center here. As you can see, when we stitch right in the center, we can barely see the stitches. I will cut the excess fabric here. Don't worry, knitted fabric won't fret. Our Celtic knot headband is finished. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this Celtic knot headband tutorial, Please like, comment, share, and subscribe.